I challenged myself to spend absolutely nothing for one full weekend last month. No eating out, no shopping, no online orders. What happened surprised me. I had one of the most relaxing weekends in months and saved $140 in 48 hours. 48 hours where you spend nothing on non-essentials. Zero. Bills already due and groceries already bought do not count. The goal is to enjoy your life without spending any money to do it. Make sure you have food in the house before Friday evening. Plan 2 or 3 free activities in advance so you are not improvising. Tell one other person, the accountability makes it real. Hike, park, bike ride, free museum day, or a local free event. Cook something ambitious from ingredients already in your pantry. Movie night at home, board games, a long walk, or finally reading that book. You will notice every single impulse to spend and how automatic it is. Most everyday spending is habit, not genuine desire or need. One weekend typically saves $80 to $150 with zero lifestyle sacrifice. One no-spend weekend per month saves $1,000 or more per year. It gets noticeably easier every time you do it. Log each one in your budget tracker to watch the savings stack up. Log your no-spend weekends and watch the annual total grow in the free budget tracker linked in the description. Most people are amazed by the number after 3 months. Link below. New tips Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.